Wherever you go, wherever you stay, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. No matter how far, how broken you are, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. Hey, I don't know you, but I know you got tension in your neck. Stressed out, too addicted to your phone to go to bed. If that's you, then take a breath. Yeah, feel these words inside your chest. You are loved, you are chosen. Your body isn't broken. For every door they close is a better one gets opened. You got a light inside, too radiant to hide. If you don't think so, let me change your mind.
Sa inyo ang pagsulod sa kaminyoon karon, Dave Miguel o Patricia, always remember that in married life, sacrifice is part and parcel of it. I need to say, whether you like it or not, there will be challenges, trials, struggles that you will be encountering as you enter into married life.
Today, I will say I do, but for me, that means I will. I will take your hand and stand by your side in the good and the bad.
On a Sunday afternoon.
Bali, nagkailang ni Dave kay nag-work ko dati as sa registration ko na-assign sa hospital.
Nasa sa front, tapos moto, siya akong perminti makitaan, siya akong perminti mapangutana o pagkakita po na ko sa iya, murag nabighani ko sa iya ang kagwapa.
And then, pagka man nag-chat, nag-decide mi na mag-date, magkita, and pagka man na naging kami na nanguyab siya, and ganun.
Congrats. Good luck sa mong journey sa mong life.
To my daddy Bob, I cannot promise to give you the best life one could ever have, but I can only promise you that I will stay by your side and I will give my best just to make you happy and to support you in whatever endeavor that you will take.
Ako ang i-promise sa imo ha, na dili ka pasakitan, dili ka biyaan.
To stand beside you through all of life's experiences as you follow God. I love you always and forever, my Daddy Bob.
Isulog ka ng sing-sing, isulog ka ng sing-sing, timaan sa kong paghigugma,
timaan sa kong paghigugma,
kung pag-unong kanimo,
pag-unong kanimo,
sa ngalan samahan,
sa ngalan samahan,
sa anak,
ug
sa Espiritu Santo.
Espiritu Santo.
I cannot say I can give you the best life, but I will try my best to give you my best. Ihatag na ko kong best na mag-stage ko sa imuhang side no matter what.
Sa inyo ang pagsulod sa kaminyoon karon, Dave, Miguel ug Patricia, always remember that a family that prays together stays forever.
And then, wala mo ko na niya ginatanggal yung mask mo. Pero itong gitanggal na niya, wala mong sad ko nagmahay. So dito, nagka-meet mi sa hospital and then nagka-chat-chat.
Ako, marag nalipay ko or na di ko ako sabot sa gibati. La, tama to sa Aquino. So, ako din siyang gi-replyan, antod chika-chika, antod replyan, chat-chat.
I just
I love
wanna
you so
see the
much, my
way
Bob. See you later.
don't even care where we go. As long as